I'm just gonna get straight into it. My voice is really sore today, and look how long my eyelashes are, guys. So long. These are my natural eyelashes. I've been using the eye envy serum, and it's really, really good. Anyways, let's just get straight into it. I had a day, so just prep my base with the P. Louise again. I love the Huda palette at the moment, so I'm gonna start with my favorite. So last night, could not be bothered to do anything. I had my friend Georgia, that's all in the Europe vlogs, come over and just hang out with me and watch it. I'm a Sharks and Roosters supporter. That's like my two teams that I support. So basically you just blend it all over your eyelid. Blendy, blendy. I kind of want to do a really soft look today. Am I feeling all right? The henna. Okay, henna just on the outside. We're not taking it across the lid like the other color. Cute. And I always blend it out. I think I've told you guys before, but my eye at the end, you can see it. Just see how it goes down. This one you can see it way more. See how it goes down. It's not good if your eye goes down at the end to take the shadow down. You should always flick it up. And the reason for that is to create the look that the eye is going in that upward kind of direction. Otherwise I look dopey. Trust fund. I like it. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I do like it. Oh. I just put myself in the eye. Quick flick. Loving the quick flick. This is the right side. Cute. Look at that baby wing. Oh, hello, darling. Hello. This is the left, and then I'll line them up. Oh my God, imagine if I pressed it on her way. Cute. I have two little baby wings. 1, 2. Now, all you have to do is literally line it up. So I've got the wing. Drag it very slowly. God, my hair's a mess. I did it on Friday. It's now Sunday. Rank, but I'm not doing it again. I'll fix it, but I'm not washing it. You know, too many washes, too many hairsprays, it full ruins it. So I just put lashes on and yeah. So I've just got the MAC Studio Fix, and I'm 2 colors I put together, and I'm putting it on like a flat brush. Oh, I love the coverage. Now, when you put it on with a brush, you always need to blend it. So I'm just gonna spray the fix. And press it in. You always have to press it in. If you don't, it's not gonna look good. An orangey consistency. Anything that's like creamy and orange is good to counteract like dark circles. So I'm just gonna use a tiny bit of this because I can't get away with today just putting on the concealer, the custard concealer, because I'm too dark. And I always dab it in the inner corner there. Just really takes away that darkness. So orange counteracts blue. Underneath your eyes has like that bluey, purpley, black, whatever you wanna call it, because you know, you say black bags, but it's actually blue or purple. And orange counteracts blue. Much fresher under the eyes. Put the NARS concealer under that eye area just because, and I'm mixing a bit with the foundation that I had on the back of my hand, just so it's not so white, because I'm very, well, not very tan, but I'm quite tan at the moment. And I'm just gonna press it in just over that orange product, because if you swipe it, it's just gonna move it all around. Alrighty, so Fenty Beauty banana powder under the eye area. Help me, help me. I just dust it off. I don't leave it on for a long time because I don't want my skin to dry up. No. My skin's really dry. I'm in need of a facial. But yeah, it's set. And then I'm just getting it MAC smaller powder and just doing the other areas that I didn't set with powder. Beautiful. And in the corners of my nose. Oily. Got it. Okay, brow time. Matte eyeshadow. And I'm gonna do my brows. So I start underneath. I draw a line. And then I use the excess product. Oh, I went too far down. I don't really have a lot at the top here, so I feel, and then I just colour them in. And same for the other brow. I'm gonna start on the arch this time. No, sometimes I just change it up, you know? Colour it in, and colour the whole thing in. Kind of want to keep this look like cool and fresh, so I'm gonna actually use that middle orange colour right underneath. Ooh. Dude, I actually love that. Wow. I powder contour, like just over where I cream contoured, but not as harshly. No, I'm filming. Okay, sorry for the interruption. And then I'm just gonna use the Fenty Beauty highlight on my cheekbone. Ooh. So this is Trendsetter by Huda Beauty. It's like a bronzy color. It kind of goes with this whole bronze look.